Hello everyone, this is Marta Saldivar. I'm doing this screencast to show you how to use your Blue Cross Blue Shield insurance website. And what you're going to do, you're going to put Blue Cross Blue Shield Bccstx.com, which will take you to this website. You're going to first log in as a first-time user. You're going to need your group number from your Blue Cross Blue Shield, and you're going to need a password and a username also. So once you have that done, it's going to ask you for your email, and it's going to send you to verification on your email. Once you verify from your email, then you can start logging in. I have already done that, so that's why I'm just logging in right now. Once I am logged in, it's going to give me a lot of information. Okay, I'm in. So this is what it gives me. Once I'm in the website, it gives me all the information, especially my claims activity, what I have this January. Also, it's me into some doctors, my health claim center, and I can find all of it. And this is what I've been billed. It's been billed to the insurance, and this is what I owe. And on this website, I can go to doctors and hospitals. I can find a doctor or a hospital, find a provider outside of US, or find a pharmacy wherever I am for whatever reason. I can also get my ID card just in case I do not have it. Go in here to my website and get a copy of my ID card in case I lost it or for some reason it got destroyed. Okay, so this is the Blue Cross Blue Shield website. Now we're going to go to the pharmacy one. Hello everyone, this is the PrimeTherapeutics.com. And once you have logged in, this one is going to let you find pharmacies, learn about different things. This is the Alliance prescription. And these are the forms. This is how much I have paid in my prescription as of 2018, my history. The Alliance RX is for specialty medicine. Let's say one of the patients has a rare form of cancer. She needs a very special kind of medication for her illness. So this is the one that she's gonna have to go into to get her medicines. Find pharmacies, contact them. This is a website for your prescriptions. This is very good, very informative. And this is what you want to like to learn for your prescriptions, called Prime Therapeutics, and you go to PrimeTherapeutics.com and you need to log in. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye-bye.